In Guilford County, our focus is on property taxes, especially after those recent property reappraisals. An important proposal tonight would offset some of that increase. WFMY News 2's Lauren Tier breaks down what the county manager is recommending.
Well, let's start with property taxes, since that's been the point of contention after those property reappraisals earlier this year. As we've reported, property values soared.
The Guilford County manager is recommending reducing the property tax rate by 11 cents, the lowest rate in 20 years. So for a home valued at $250,000, the homeowner's annual bill would go down by $279. It sounds good, but keep in mind it's not enough of a reduction to completely offset the property value increase. Home values jumped between 40 and 50% for many homeowners this year. The county manager says the tax rate supports priorities in the budget. These include managing growth, expanding services for the unhoused, and adding $25 million more for schools than last year.
A budget is not only a financial document. As I stated earlier, it is a fiscal narrative about who we serve, what pressure residents are facing, and what responsibilities government must carry.
More than $307 million would go to Guilford County schools to fund pay raises and school safety upgrades. There's also nearly $30 million proposed for Guilford Tech. The county manager says it supports job training programs tied to aviation and advanced manufacturing.
These are not abstract increases. They are the cost of sustaining our commitments, meeting our mandates, and maintaining appropriate service levels.
The budget also adds more than $1 million for homelessness outreach and shelters.
Residents have clearly expressed that inflation and rising of living costs are impacting their daily lives. Families across Guilford County are facing expenses for housing, food, health care, and also transportation at an alarming rate, and they must think about the trade-offs.
Now, at the same time, county leaders say they will cut millions in spending and limited new positions to keep the budget sustainable. County commissioners will now review this proposal before a public hearing come June 4th, and a final vote on the budget is expected later that month.